So today's question is Hackintosh versus Macintosh, and before going into installation of OS X on old computer or new computer, let's just see the performance difference. So there are tons of posts available, and if you don't believe me that Hackintosh are better than Mac OS, you can just go and read all the articles available inside a Google search. So there are tons of information, like tons of tests that are conducted on Hackintosh MacBook and MacBook Pro. So let's see some of the results. So if we talk about Hackintosh, you will notice that it is better in disk test, and the blue one is MacBook Pro, which is always the last thing that you want, and the green one is a Mac Pro. So it's a 2.6 gigahertz Mac Pro with 1 GB RAM, whereas Hackintosh is 4 GB, and it only lacks in thread test, and that is because of the processor that they are using. So you can save money, like if you buy a Mac, it would cost you like 10 times more, not 10 times, actually twice more as compared to a computer that runs Hackintosh. So even with 4 GB RAM, you can see decent and even excellent performance, and better than most Apple hardware. So in the next video we'll see what is next in the next section, and I would suggest you to go and check the articles before installation, so you know what you are going to do. And by the way, Hackintosh is illegal.